All right, in the following videos, I'm going to take some time here as president of Universal Accounting Center to introduce exactly how it is we promote our services within Universal Business Builder. It happens to be a division of Universal Accounting Center where we work with accounting firms, business owners, and the like to actually help them implement a variety of strategies within their company to do the following five things: engage and manifest, understand accounting, increase revenue, improve profits, and build value. Now, as we're meeting with business owners, we're generally speaking to people that are between $1 million to $3 million in revenue. But honestly, these principles are very appropriate for any business under 10 million in revenue, and oftentimes are done with companies that are, say, 100 to 500,000 in revenue and growing. So each of these potential clients are the ones that we're targeting and meeting with in a consultative service. And my intentions today are actually just kind of give you a behind the scenes of how this all works. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to share exactly how this all starts by first of all explaining how we market these services. So essentially what you're looking at is these five services are introduced traditionally by having people go to a form. It's an iframe form that you can embed on your website, and you can actually place it there for them to do a quick questionnaire regarding their business, answering questions about their company so that you can actually provide to them a Value Builder scored. Now, this is all because we are Value Builder certified. And so essentially what we're doing is I'm going in and taking and either emailing them the link to do the personal questionnaire about their business to get their business score, or to get their pre-score, which is a quick questionnaire about them individually as an owner of the company, so as to help them actually answer questions about their current feelings towards selling the business and what we would need to address so that they're prepared to actually do so. Now, as a Value Builder provider, what happens is you're able to go then in and actually get the embed code, and as a provider, use this embed code on your website so that they can actually go do this pre-score evaluation, get their actual pre-score here, or do the business score here. And in doing this, they're actually going to then come into the Value Builder system when they're finished, notifying us of what it is they have done in order to get the scores they received. And in that process, we're now able to contact them and reach out to them. And in this case, I'll just pull it myself. In this case here, I've got their contact information, and I'm able to reach out to them and help them actually then see how it is they can maybe use these principles in their business with us working as their consultant. So I want you to understand that there are a number of marketing resources available to you that as you're out marketing your services and explaining how you work with business owners, you can then, most importantly, direct them here as the first step, if you will, in getting to know you and what it is you do as you offer these services. Now, personally, the reason why I like this so much is because in order for them to do this, I've not asked them for any time. And in essence, they've not taken any of my time. What we're asking for is basically 15 minutes. And I shouldn't have said time, I really meant money. The reason for that is because I do want to ask for their time to take the 15 minutes to do this questionnaire. If I have them do this questionnaire and they take the 15 minutes to do this, I trust that they're then interested in working on their business and are willing to then give me both time and some money to then move towards actually becoming an engaged client with us so that we can actually service them and coach them in the coming year. But I wanted to at least expose you to how here at Universal Business Builder, we then first meet with and introduce people to our services. We talk about the five things we do, which are engage and manifest, understand accounting, increase revenue, improve profits, and build value. With those things, we typically lead with increase revenue and improve profits. The business owner wonders how and why. And what we do is explain that as business coaches, we have a five-tiered program that over the next 12 to 18 months we do with them to address each of those areas of their business so as to increase the value of their company and improve their roles as leaders within their organizations. The next step is to then invite them, whether it be by email or just by sending them here, to do this questionnaire. Or if they're looking to exit anytime soon within at least the next 5 years, I'll actually have them do this as well for part of that discussion. Once they do one of these questionnaires and we are notified, the next step is for us to then schedule a one-to-one meeting with them to discuss the results and see what steps it takes us to next. So if you have any questions, understand this. There is a process to literally going out and offering these services. I encourage you to apply these principles within your organization as a value builder provider, and you're going to do great offering and marketing these services. Just remember this, if it's about accounting, it is universal. Take care.